Let's talk about the case study number 2, the school project debate. Let's also assume that I'm the 10th member of this particular group, and our current task is to leave the meeting with a concrete plan. In this situation, I would simply raise my hand virtually to speak out. Then I would say, hey guys, we already heard a couple of ideas from the Devon and the Saanvi, and also Wei and Maya trying to deliver, speak, and write their own ideas. So we're already approaching the deadline. Let's make a poll and vote for each idea and proceed with the highest vote and start building and iterating the project. This is a very best option for now. So let me quickly do this. Guys, could you tell me your ideas one by one or write in the chat so I could draft them and drop poll here on the chat.